Hello from Tao Garden. My name is Walter Kellenberger. I'm a resident instructor at Tao Garden and I teach regularly in May, November my course and assist Master Chia in his retreat and also give private lesson. Today we want to talk about belching. Remember, when you're born and you start to drink milk, the first thing what you need to learn after drinking milk, to belch, to get the air out. And this is a crucial thing in our life, what we not do anymore after we are baby. We keep the gas, we call also sick wind in the body. So we need to learn to belch. And you only can belch when you relax, when everything relax and you're massaging your belly, massaging the belly, and you feel a pressure coming up and you let the gas out. It's a training. Sometimes for people very easy, but some people not so. But you just exercise and try to do, and when you can release your gas out of your system, your body can work much better. Air in our system, meaning body, as the body is a pumping system, and when you have air in the pumping system, you cannot work properly. So please go ahead and do massaging your belly a lot and feel you relax and you get the gas out. You will see it's much more better. You feel much more better and the digestion can work properly. You have better, more energy when the digestion work and even the breathing improve. So encourage yourself, belch and yawn to better health. Remember, more in my courses in November and May. See you at Tao Garden. Bye-bye.